Hi, I'm Blake Brosey, founder of Smart Foundation Repair, and I want to share with you how we began because it's really about why we do what we do. I used to be a real estate investor and general contractor, and I had 6 houses all at once that all had foundation repair. Normally we just repair those in-house and we just keep rolling. But at this point it was just too much for us to handle at the time, so we started subcontracting in, for the first time, other foundation repair companies. And what we found blew my mind. We had bids from $1,500 to $25,000 for the same exact foundation. And I said, how could this be? You know, normally in framing, electrical, plumbing, they're typically the same scope, maybe just a different price based on the size of company. But foundation repair, each different scope was different, each different price was different. And I just couldn't understand that. So we got into this industry to really create a systemized way that homeowners could rely on seeing all the options available to them and have a really fair price and be able to choose what price is best for them. And what we found is this has saved tens of thousands of dollars per project for our homeowners, because they'll have a company come in, they'll give them a really high bid and pressure them, and we'll come in and we'll show them why that bid was that price, but then we'll also give them another option. And that option saves them tens of thousands of dollars. And that is why we do what we do, to deliver excellent products, no shortcuts, and fair pricing. So looking forward to continue talking to you, and we'll see you in the next video.